Alright, in today's video, let's go ahead and find a HeyGen tutorial. And I think this really highlights the difficulty of finding like a good AI trainer, because I'm going to go out there and I want to know how to just make a simple AI avatar and how complicated it is right now. So if you're feeling like it's complicated, I'm going to tell you right now, it is effing complicated. So I'm going to go right here.
Welcome to this.
And I'm taking a look because he's got 207,000 subscribers and 119,000 views, right? So I'm thinking he's going to be good. So it's like, HeyGen tutorial. Okay, so I'm seeing the two instant avatars right here. So it sounds like he's gotten it down. But if you take a look at, like, I don't need to see all this fucking shit, right? I just want to know step by step. The zooming in and out, it is already freaking making me very, very dizzy. Okay, and essentially speaking, it's a fucking commercial, which I don't fucking appreciate, because this is my HeyGen account. Just tell me from right here where the fuck I need to go. That's it. Okay, home. Okay, try AI avatar. It says create something new here. Photo to video with avatar. Quick avatar video. Translate video, create your avatar. Well, I think I already created my avatar here. Batch mode, create multiple avatar videos at once. Instant cut, PPT to PDF video. Okay, interactive avatar, real-time conversational AI. So I'm gonna go out there and let's go out there and try to figure this thing out. And then I have projects. Currently right now I don't have any projects. The only one that I have is basically this one, so I'm just gonna call it project 1. Okay. And then I'll take a look at the avatars, and it's got a good number of public avatars. So I'm guessing if I wanted to go out there and create this one, there's this stuff right here. There are voices. So they do have an integration with 11 Labs. But, you know, I want to go out there and use my own voice. And then there are templates right here, where it's like I can go out there and create my own video template, and I can go out there and create my own brand kit, and I can go out there and actually upload some of my own media. Like, these are just some of the screenshots that I've made recently. Okay, so how do I go ahead? See, I go to create video, and let's go ahead and go out there and create a portrait video. Okay, and then instead of Annie here, let's just say I want somebody else. I'm going to go ahead and go to replace avatar, and I'm going to go to rich. Okay, and I'm just going to go out there and close this up. See, it says, okay, test 1. And this is actually where it gets fun, because I'm going to go ahead and say replace avatar. Okay, so I've replaced myself, and I just moved myself up a little bit right here. Okay, and currently right now it says no script, so I can go out there and type my script here or use commands. So let's go ahead and actually say, like, are you tired of watching IG reels and not getting any value on how to use AI more effectively? Okay, so I'm gonna have this right now. I'm gonna go to voice director, and then let's go to switch. Okay, so right here, this is when they start trying to, and looking for API plans. This is where they try to get you with more money. And okay, so I've typed this in, and I'm just gonna go out there and click enter. Okay, and then enter here.
Are you tired of watching IG Reels and not getting any value on how to use AI more effectively?
Not bad, right? Not bad. Okay, so I'm just going to go out there and say preview.
Are you tired of watching IG Reels and not getting any value on how to use AI more effectively?
Okay, now we basically have this. Now, let's just say I wanted to go out there and add let's see. And this is Grok 4 being the #1. It's like Did you know Grok 4 just became the #1 app in Japan? And I'm just going to go out there and preview the audio.
Did you know how Grok 4 just became the #1 app in Japan?
Got it. Okay, so audio. Okay, so I'm just going to have that. Now, this is actually where it gets a little complicated because, hang on, avatars. I'm just going to add right here, Grok 4 is the #1 app in Japan. And I'm just going to add this guy right here and just stretch it out right here. Okay, now we have that. This one right here, I'm just going to delete the scene. I'm just going to have this one right here. And then I have text, I have media. Okay, music. Okay, boom. So we got a little bit of music here.
Did you know how Grok 4 just became the #1 app in Japan?
Okay, that's pretty cool, right? So that's a 3-second one. And then now I can go out there and continue to go out there and add other things. Background, captions. Apply to all.
Did you know how Grok 4 just became the #1 app in Japan?
Doesn't really sound a whole lot like me, but let's just say like that's what I wanted to do. Now it just generated into this format. Of course, upgrade to creator. That's where they try to get you to pay up. Okay, but submit.
Please schedule a call with Product Jim before we increase our rates for the AI Product Manager program on August 15th. Grok 4 just made the #1 on the Japanese App Store. We just uploaded 30 new lessons and 6 new modules to our AI Product Management program, including ChatGPT agents, Grok 4, and Perplexity Labs.
So let's just say if I wanted to play with this. Okay.
Please schedule a call with Product Jim before we increase our rates for the AI Product Manager program on August 20th. Grok 4 just made the #1 on the Japanese App Store. We just uploaded 30 new lessons and 6 new modules to our AI Product Management program, including ChatGPT agents, Grok 4, and Perplexity Labs.
Okay, that's cool. And then let's just say I'm going to preview this.
We just uploaded 30 new lessons and 6 new modules to our AI Product Management program, including ChatGPT agents, Grok 4, and Perplexity Labs.
I don't know, does that sound like me? I don't think that's what I sound like. But let's just say I hit generate. Okay, this video is longer than 15 seconds, which exceeds the free plan. So please upgrade or shorten your script. As we can go ahead and see here. Let's just say I wanted to get rid of this. As you can see here, it's 14 seconds. And it's still saying like, hey, it is, yeah. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and go back to right here. Overall, I think like in terms of like having like an AI avatar, Like, this is pretty much like not as simple as it says actually online. Would not give this guy a great rating, but overall, like, the tutorials for HeyGen absolutely, like, they absolutely suck. You know, when I take a look at like how much, like, oh my gosh. Like, it's just like dizzy for me to just even go out there and look at. I don't need all that fancy editing. Like, for me, it's just like step by step. I think instructions as you're seeing it right now. I think that's just the best way to go ahead and go about it. But out of the other two programs, I think HeyGen's actually probably the easiest one to use. But it's also the most costly one, but it's probably the easiest one to use. That's HeyGen.